Hi guys, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select dim and lock screen, and here click on my wallpaper. And now you can choose something from your gallery, one from live wallpapers or one from internal wallpapers. To check some particular one, smoothly click, then you can slide to see the rest of wallpapers, and for example let me use this one. So once you want to apply it, just click on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me choose both, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your lock and home screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.